Updating your Linksys router firmware with an LBF0 file. This is a firmware image used for upgrading Linksys network equipment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to safely use these Linksys firmware image files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single LBF0 file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. An LBF0 file is a firmware image or configuration backup used by Linksys routers and network devices. Users typically encounter this file when manually upgrading their router's operating system or restoring saved settings. The file contains critical instructions and parameters necessary for the hardware to function correctly. The LBF0 format is a proprietary binary container, often encrypted or checksum-verified, designed to ensure the integrity of the firmware during the update process. This structure prevents corruption and unauthorized modifications, which could render the network device inoperable. Its design prioritizes security and stability for the hardware's core operations. Linksys Belkin maintains the integrity of the LBF0 specification through Linksys Router Admin. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows cannot interpret system firmware formats, so reading or installing them depends on approved tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your LBF0 file and choose Open With. Test Linksys Router Admin first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your LBF0 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here is a list of the key technical reasons this LBF0 format often fails to open. First, uploading through web interface. Log into your Linksys router web administration interface, typically at 192.168.11. Navigate to Administration, then Firmware Upgrade. Browse to select the LBF0 file and click Start Upgrade. Wait for the process to complete without interrupting power, which would brick the device. Next, using Linksys Smart Wi-Fi. For modern Linksys routers, use the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi web interface or mobile app. Navigate to Connectivity, then Basic, and use the Manual Firmware Update option. Upload the LBF0 file and confirm the upgrade. The router applies the firmware and reboots automatically when complete. Finally, verifying compatibility. Before upgrading, verify the LBF0 file matches your exact router model and hardware revision printed on the device label. Installing incompatible firmware can permanently damage the router. Download firmware only from official Linksys support pages to ensure file integrity and authenticity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.